Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've just been sent another curiosity box, so let's take a quick look at what's inside. All in one. Hi, I'm Poppy and you're watching Poppy Does Science. First of all, I noticed that they've added this cool extra thing with the cards held into it. So this themed box must be explosive stuff because it says bang on the front of it. So this could be a quite fun one. I've done a few explosive things before. Oh, this is cool. It's like a rocket. It's like a rocket car thing. And then another scientist card. I'm going to pull this off. Oh, it's quite a full box. Right. Pop tubes. That looks really fun. That reminds us of something. It looks like the Alka-Seltzer tablet things that I've done with the film capsules. That reminds us of that. What else have I got? Sweet explosion. Oh, there's popping candy. I love popping candy. What else? Rocket snappers. Oh, it comes with the things that you get in the Christmas crackers that make it go bang. They're cool. Oh, a Molly mod. And this one's for silver fulminate. Very explosive. Whoa, it can explode underwater. This must be the thing from sparklers, because I got a picture of the sparklers. So I've done that before, where a sparkler carries on lighting while it's underwater. So that must be the thing that's on sparklers. That's cool. What else? Got cups. They must be from one of those experiments. Paper. Oh, we got our stickers again. And what's this? It's in the box. Oh, it's one of those mortal and pestle things. Pestle and mortem. I don't really know how to say that. But that's cool as well. But I think I'm going to make this one actually, because this looks really fun and interesting. But first, I'm going to obviously make my Molly mod. So I've created my silver fulminate Molly mod, so I'm going to add this to the collection. And now I'm going to open my Pop Tubes kit. Right. This is your mission, to create a chemical reaction that will make a test tube fly into the air. This sounds fun. So first I'm going to have to fill the test tube, cold water, about a third, then I place it on a piece of paper on a hard, flat surface outside, because the piece of paper is there because the tablets have got dye in them, so it's meant to make a colour splatter of picture on the piece of paper when it launches off, so that should be pretty cool as well. Because I have to add one of these tablets into it, and then quickly place the test tube on the paper so it's upside down, standing on its lid like this. And then standing when it should pop. Right, this sounds easy enough to do. So I'm all set up outside, so let's take a look. So first I need to add a third of water into one of the test tubes. Oh, that was too much. Oh, that'll do. Now I need to quickly add one of these into it. Right. Gonna be really quick. There. So it could take a little while for it to actually do. I can see it fizzing and changing colour, so it looks like it's working. It's making a few bubbles actually. That actually looks quite cool. Oh my gosh. It just all splattered out like it was such a shock. That actually worked quite well. I don't know if you can see. No, it's gonna tip if I try and show it. There. So I'm gonna try that again with a different colour this time. worked really well. Look, oh my god, it's like starting to mix there. Woo. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and all the links for Curiosity Box will be in the description down below. Bye!